Here today we are in Montreal. That's a gypsum plant, board plant, where we produce drywall and also finishing product that we put in between the drywall. Today we are here because we have a very exciting project which is coming to the plant. We're going to transform the plant into a zero carbon plant. When we produce drywall we use a lot of energy, so today it's natural gas. We use that to calcine the rock and also to dry the board.
We have 10 burners which solely run on natural gas for our production process. For this project, we will be looking to replace these 10 burners with 5 electrical heaters run solely on green hydroelectricity.
About 40% of carbon emissions actually come from the construction industry. It's an integral part of our business to work towards net zero in 2050.
As our plant is located in a booming industrial area, the amount of power available was limited. So we had to justify why our project deserved an additional allocation of power.
It's a big investment in Montreal in our gypsum plant. It's 90 million Canadian dollars. It's supported by Quebec Energy Transition with $40 million worth of grant money. This project will reduce our CO2 footprint by 30%. while increasing capacity by 40%, providing needed products for valued customers in Eastern Ontario, Quebec, and the Maritimes.
Climate change is an absolutely existential crisis, and we need everyone's help in being able to solve this, both at our company level, leading our industry, working toward net zero.
I mean, the environment is what we live in. It's something that we need to be aware of. I mean, I have kids. I want to make it a better planet for them to live in. The world's not going to stop buying gyprock. Whether it be renovations or creating new places, we might as well make it in a way that is going to be more sustainable in the future. That's it.
So this project in particular will reduce our CO2 emissions related to the operations that we have in our Montreal plant by 44,000 metric tons a year. That's equivalent to taking about 14,000 cars off the road for an entire year. This project is a perfect example of us all working together to come up with a better solution to an issue.
We have individuals from the United States, locally from Montreal, from Ontario, from the UK, and from France, and we're meeting on a weekly basis to deliver this project.
I know we have the right people on the ground and the right partnerships to ensure this project launches on time and delivers our commitments both to the environment and to our customers.
The amount of new equipment and of learning we will have to do together is fantastic, and I believe that we need to have a positive impact. We know that to have an impact, we need to work to decarbonize the industry. And so in Montreal, we're going to write that page. It's going to be the second plant in the world. It's going to be the first in North America.
I'm extremely thankful to Hydro-Quebec for allocating the additional power to us to allow us to electrify. So we've actually had government officials from various provinces reach out to us, asking us how they can adapt their policies to encourage industry to make a step change like we are in Quebec.
I think it's excitement to see that we're going to have this new technology coming in, and then knowing again that we're going to be the only one plant doing it. And now we're a model for the rest of North America, so I think it's great. Yeah.
Donc, dans le fond, je suis très heureux que l'usine de Montréal ait été choisie en tant que directeur d'usine pour le projet de décarbonisation. C'est un projet vraiment exceptionnel qui va nous permettre d'être plus écologique et d'aller vers un futur meilleur pour la planète.
We're producing a product for our customers that has less carbon embedded in it while increasing the productivity of the plant. I am personally very proud to work at a company that not only sets goals, but is working toward meeting those goals in very substantive ways.
I think it's critically important to be a sustainable company, to be committed to sustainable production and products. Because I believe it's important to our current employees and all of our future employees that we leave the world a better place than we found it, and this is a step in that right direction.